Hello dear students. In this video, we're about to take a closer look at the fascinating world of cells, the incredibly tiny yet essential building blocks of all living things, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whales. Let's explore their discovery, characteristics, and the different types of cells that exist. In 1665, an English scientist named Robert Hooke used a microscope to examine cork, which is part of tree bark. What he found surprised him. He saw tiny box-like structures that reminded him of small rooms or cells in a monastery. However, these structures were actually empty spaces left by dead plant cells. Hooke's discovery was the first time anyone had seen cells, even if they weren't alive. This led to a new field of science called cell biology, changing our understanding of life. Cells have some remarkable features that allow them to perform various tasks essential for life. They are the fundamental units of living organisms, whether it's a simple bacterium or a complex human being. Each cell's structure is intricately designed to support its function. For instance, muscle cells are specialized to help us move, while nerve cells are built to transmit signals and communicate with other cells. One of the core functions of cells is their ability to reproduce and grow. Cells divide to form new cells, a process crucial for the development, repair, and maintenance of an organism. This capacity for growth and reproduction ensures that life continues and evolves. Cells also maintain a stable internal environment, a process known as homeostasis. They carefully regulate the intake of nutrients, manage water levels, and remove waste to keep their internal conditions balanced. This balance is vital for the cell's survival and function. Moreover, cells communicate with one another, coordinating their activities to work together efficiently. This teamwork is essential for the overall health and survival of the organism. When we look at different organisms, we see a fascinating variety in cell number, shape, and size. Some organisms, like bacteria, consist of just one cell, while others, such as humans, are made up of billions of cells. Cells come in various shapes that are closely related to their functions. For example, nerve cells are long and branched to effectively transmit signals across distances. The size of cells can also vary greatly, from tiny bacteria to large plant and animal cells. This variation often reflects the overall size and complexity of the organism, though there are exceptions. In multicellular organisms, cells can become highly specialized. For example, muscle cells are designed for contraction and movement, while nerve cells are adapted for communication. Additionally, cells can be either simple or complex. Prokaryotic cells, such as those found in bacteria, are simpler and lack membrane-bound organelles. Their DNA is a single, circular strand located in a region called the nucleoid. In contrast, eukaryotic cells, which make up plants, animals, fungi, and protists, are more complex. They have a true nucleus and a variety of organelles, including mitochondria and the Golgi apparatus, each with specific functions. In multicellular organisms, cells are organized into tissues, organs, and organ systems, which work together to perform the complex functions necessary for life. This organization allows the body to operate efficiently and maintain homeostasis. Cells are equipped with various components, known as organelles, that perform specific functions. The cell membrane, for instance, surrounds and protects the cell, regulating what enters and exits. Inside the cell is the cytoplasm, a gel-like substance where organelles float and many essential processes, like protein synthesis, occur. The nucleus serves as the control center of the cell, housing the DNA and regulating cellular activities. The endoplasmic reticulum, or, is a network of membranes involved in the synthesis of proteins and lipids. It comes in two forms, rough which has ribosomes on its surface, and smooth which lacks ribosomes. The Golgi apparatus is another critical organelle, modifying, sorting, and packaging proteins for transport. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell, generating energy in the form of ATP. Lysosomes contain digestive enzymes that break down waste materials. Vacuoles serve as storage sacs for water, nutrients, and waste, with plant cells typically having a large central vacuole. Ribosomes, found in the cytoplasm or on the rough are the sites of protein synthesis. When comparing plant and animal cells, we notice some key differences. Plant cells have a cell wall that provides support and structure, and they contain plastids like chloroplasts for photosynthesis. Animal cells, on the other hand, lack a cell wall and plastids, which allows them to be more flexible. Plant cells usually have a large central vacuole, while animal cells have smaller, multiple vacuoles. Despite these differences, both plant and animal cells share several similarities. They both have a cell membrane, a nucleus, cytoplasm with organelles, mitochondria for energy production, and an endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus for cell functions. As we wrap up our exploration of the microscopic universe of cells, remember that these tiny building blocks are fundamental to all life. Next time you look around, think about the incredible cells that make everything possible. Now, here's a question for you. What part of the cell is responsible for producing energy? Please share your answer in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 8 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.